there, welcome to Informed Investing. My name is Don Lawrence. I'm the CEO of ST Research, and our platform is StockTargetAdvisor.com. I'm a financial analyst and a trader, and every day we bring you top analyst ratings, and we're just getting back from a long weekend, both Canada and the US, and so we're just going to cover some of the top ratings we missed from that long weekend there on both sides. We're going to start off with JP Morgan Chase on base minor First Quantum Minerals. They're maintaining the equal weight rating, which is essentially kind of a hold rating. Then they are cutting the target to 40 from 45. Now, as I said before, a lot of weakness happening, sort of a bearish market cycle on mining stocks. I think we're going to see a lot more downside. I think FM is going to come underneath 20 before it consolidates. Might take another stretch up between 25 and 30. Then we could see another leg coming down with some more market weakness when the market decides to go back downwards. Next, we got Canopy Growth. It's been slaughtered as of late. Obviously, many downgrades and target reductions on the basis of sort of financial concerns and a credit rating downgrade there. Bank of America is coming in, maintaining the underperform rating on the stock, which is essentially a sell rating, and they are cutting the target to $3 from $8.50. So I'm kind of thinking here, the stock's looking awful attractive here. I mean, it could go down under $1. This is a problem with stocks. I mean, you're dealing with a wide range here of where it could go. Obviously, there's a lot of negative sort of sentiment towards the stock, and I think it's I'm going to take a contrarian view here, and I think it's worthwhile a shot at going long. So I kind of like Canopy Growth here because no one else likes it. So I think the wheat stocks have been hammered. I do think they should get some sort of rebound here. So I do see valuation here. Again, you know, we could see more downside, but it's getting interesting at this point. Moving on to another base miner, Freeport McMoRan. Raymond James is maintaining the buy rating, cutting the target to $59 from $59. Again, another stock I think is going to go under 20. As well, alongside the same weakness as First Quantum. Morgan Stanley target was cut at Credit Suisse to 95 from 100, and I do think the stock here is overvalued. I think with the pressures coming in now in the housing market in the US, balance sheets are going to come under pressure on the banks in the States, and I do think we've got to be cautious here. So I definitely see weakness in the banks going forward, so just be careful on that regard here. Again, this is just sort of a spectrum. I think, you know, we look at the upside and downside, and I think there's definitely more risk on the banks here. So of course we can be wrong, but we're just saying you know, this is sort of the outlook that we see. And finally we go on to ZEN Desk. We got Cowen & Co. cutting the target to 77.50 from 90. And it's just, the stock's come off a bit of a rebound here. Came off sort of low 50-ish. I think it's probably going to retrace again down to test the low 50s again. And I think low 50s or anywhere under 50 could be a good buy in the stock here. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking us out. Appreciate it as always. If you're interested in analyst ratings, we have the best coverage in the world. Just go to our site, StockTargetAdvisor.com, click on our analyst ratings page, and you'll get all the analyst ratings there. If you like analyst ratings delivered into your inbox twice a day and every day, pre-market, midday, please sign up for our premium service. It's just $5 a month, and you get a lot of research tools alongside that. Well, guys, again, we'll hope to see you tomorrow. Appreciate you following us as always. And remember, your best trade is always a hedge. Cheers, guys.